If your products aren't on TikTok Shop in 2025, you're already behind. TikTok has become a powerhouse for e-commerce. Millions of buyers, one-tap checkout, and explosive growth. This is your chance to get in before it's saturated. Today, we're revealing the top 4 TikTok Shop setup and promotion experts you can hire right now. We've done the research and found the best freelancers to launch, optimize, and scale your TikTok Shop. You don't have to figure it all out yourself. Let's dive in. First up, you're Hassan, the ultimate launch button for your TikTok Shop. Hate the tech stuff? Hassan handles everything: product listings, shipping, payments, and more. He builds your shop from scratch, connects it to TikTok's ecosystem, and sets up your affiliate program so creators can promote your products. You get a ready-to-sell store, optimized for conversions and built for speed. Hassan's process is fast, beginner-friendly, and proven. Hundreds of businesses have launched with his help. He makes it simple, with clear pricing and straightforward communication. Even if you've never sold online, he'll guide you every step of the way. He customizes your shop to fit your brand, writes compelling descriptions, and ensures everything looks professional. The affiliate integration is a game changer, unlocking an army of TikTok creators to sell for you. Speed matters. With Hassan, you're ready to capitalize on trends instantly. Real client review. Prompt, solved my setup problems and got everything done fast. If you want a done-for-you TikTok shop, Hassan delivers. No stress, just results. Next, Omalola, the expert for sellers expanding from Shopify, Instagram, or Facebook to TikTok. Managing inventory and orders across platforms can be a nightmare. Omalola makes it seamless. She syncs your TikTok shop with your website and social channels, so inventory and pricing update everywhere automatically. No more overselling, shipping delays, or manual headaches. She optimizes your back-end, troubleshoots issues, and keeps your systems running smoothly. Omalola handles the tricky TikTok approval process, getting your products listed faster. Her automation lets you scale without hiring a huge team. Real client feedback. Omalola saved us from a syncing nightmare. Now everything works like clockwork. She prevents costly mistakes and keeps your business running profitably. If you want to expand to TikTok without tech headaches, Omalola is your go-to. Focus on selling. She'll handle the rest. Smart, efficient, and built for growth. That's Omalola. For dropshippers, meet Blessing S, the specialist in finding winning products and scaling fast with TikTok ads. She does it all: product research, ad strategy, and viral content ideas. Blessing finds products with real viral potential, builds ad campaigns to reach millions, and crafts creative concepts that pop. She knows how to turn TikTok viewers into buyers with native-feeling ads that convert. Her product research saves you from wasting money on duds. She validates demand before you spend on ads. Blessing's ad strategies are data-driven A/B testing, budget optimization, and aggressive scaling of winners. She helps you brainstorm viral video formats, unboxings, demos, and more to lower ad costs and boost sales. If you're stuck with high ad costs or products that don't sell, Blessing gives you a proven roadmap. Real client review. Her ad strategy cut our cost per sale in half. Total pro. For dropshipping success on TikTok, Blessing is the expert you need. Fast-focused and results-driven, she turns guesswork into growth. Ready to scale big? Meet Joseph Sid, the agency-level strategist for serious brands. Joseph brings top-tier data analysis and marketing expertise from one of Spain's best Google Premier partner agencies. He's not for beginners. He's for brands aiming for multi-million-dollar growth on TikTok and beyond. Joseph manages your shop, optimizes listings, and runs advanced ad campaigns across platforms. He connects your TikTok strategy with Google Ads, email marketing, and more, building a holistic growth machine. Every move is data-driven. He analyzes conversion rates, order values, and customer journeys to maximize profit. He's your outsourced chief marketing officer: strategy, execution, and reporting, all in one. Real results: clients going from $0 to $2 million in a year, or tripling their business revenue. If you're ready to scale aggressively and want a true partner, Joseph is your guy. He delivers agency-level results for brands ready to invest in real growth. Premium service, premium results. Build your empire with Joseph. Hire an expert who knows how to build empires. Ready to launch or scale your TikTok shop? Don't let tech or content stress hold you back. These 4 experts can help you build, promote, and grow your shop, no matter your stage. Check the description for direct links to each Fiverr profile. Click, connect, and get started. The right expert is your best investment. Stop doing it all yourself. Start getting real results. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share your TikTok shop stories in the comments. Here's to your next viral sale.